Day 2, the ongoing saga of the windshield on the RV, and this is a scaffolding that the technician has put in front of it, and you can see that up here he has pulled this truck in and pushed the front cap over. He said that that front cap has moved, and that's what made the windshield corners pop out. So a little backlit this morning, but you can see some of the gasket material coming out. So I'm sure he'll be reseating that today and then applying the urethane to reset it into a square hole. So pretty anxious to see how this proceeds. Okay, day 2, we have the windshield out, and it's right here, and they're cleaning the gasket, and they're going to reseal the windshield. As I may have said before, the only thing about a curved glass windshield on a Tiffin or any other coach that has a curved windshield and a one-piece windshield, the windshield is the structure that supports the front cap of the RV. So it's going in, being urethaned, and then it'll set for 24 hours to reseal. All right, this is how our coach windshield was repaired. Now Jeff, and I'll introduce Jeff here in a few minutes, he was the one that said that he needed to come in with this jack and push this front cap over here, which is this line right here where my hand is, and push it over, and that was the reason why our windshield popped out in the first place. So now he's nearing completion, and he's got it in, and it's looking pretty good. We're going to do a little bit of trim shot here, but when I first met Jeff, he was installed in me a lot of confidence on how he was going to tackle this job, and that he had done and talked to Tiffin and stuff like that. So he is here in Weiser, Idaho, but operates also at a Quartzsite in the wintertime, and that's very close to us in Lake Havasu. So Jeff just has the experience to get this done, and we just could not be more happy. Jeff, what's your phone number?
541-998-3397.
Man, this guy can really do a job, and he does it with confidence too. I'm really impressed.